Can you hear me?
Okay.
Raju, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think some problem with joining from my laptop. Okay.
No.
I think it's not me. I have joined through desktop from my mobile. That's fine.
Yeah, no issues. No issues.
Okay. So now here it is showing as stage pick confirmed. So it means like it is saying like your picking has been done. If you go and see the sales status,
Yes.
it should get picked.
Yeah. Absolutely. This is stage pick confirm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now here you need to go and next step is ship confirmation.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, good. Done.
Perfect.
Yes.
So these are the key. This is a key business flow in WMS. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
So this is a key business flow in WMS where people might ask if you're attending for an interview, they'll say like how you will do the planned cross docking, how you will do the opportunistic cross docking.
Yes.
So this is how you need to do it.
Absolutely.
Now you can make out the differences on the notepad.
Yeah.
Like what is the differences that you have been
Your voice is not coming through.
sales process in let me call you. Is it okay now?
Yeah. Now it seems to be okay.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say is now you got the difference between the now you have to understand the difference between the both the cross dockings. Which is a cross docking which doesn't involve pick release.
Doesn't involve?
Pick release process.
Your plan, your opportunistic.
Pick release, which is the cross docking which doesn't involve pick release process.
Planned.
It is also with the opportunistic also, right?
Yeah, opportunistic also. Actually, both these ones did not require quick release, no. So automatically they got reserved and they got stage pick confirmed.
Yeah, correct. So that is how the things will happen. Okay. So here direct movement to the staging is going to happen.
Yes.
And if you observe the statuses in the shipping transaction form, when coming to the opportunistic cross docking, it will automatically pick up your sales order or the back ordered sales order and automatically process it. And automatically it will lie with the stage or pick confirmed, that status. But when coming to the planned cross docking, it will give you the status saying like it is planned for cross docking, correct? And it will also show your task, and that's how you will try to do it. Okay, so the statuses and everything is more important. The same order and the same item with the same combination which we have it, you try to do one round of testing and just try to make the differences in a document or a notepad or something, so that it will be good to you. You will try to understand what is there. So let's suppose if you ask me, cross dock criteria is same, you will define it, whereas here it is on a supply base and there it is on a demand base. That is one difference. Second thing is like you will try to define the rules also both. So here it is planned and there it is a opportunistic. But when case of planned cross docking, when you try to perform release process, there you will try to give your cross docking criteria. Whereas in opportunistic cross docking, that you will not provide it. Correct?
Correct.
Only cross docking criteria, planned cross docking criteria only you will try to mention when you are trying to perform the releasing of the sales order process for the picking. Correct? So these all differences, just try to make a notepad, and that will give you the visibility, at least on a high level perspective, what is happened in the system.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just this recording, right? You mentioned like the first one as a planned cross opportunistic cross docking, and second one as a
Planned.
planned cross docking, and send that video. Okay, this last one I don't think it is needed. The
Yeah.
first two things are only needed. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I will send that, and I think Jairam has also joined.
Okay, Jairam also joined.
So when are we meeting next then? Jairam? Santosh?
Yeah, I think it's all, most of the times with the Jairam, pending with Jairam. So Jairam's time is our time.
Jairam is the boss here.
Yeah, every time he will say like after 1 hour, no, I'm done. I need to go somewhere. So I think today we have spent almost like 1.5 hours to close to like more than 1.5 hours. I think we have done complete cross docking here. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cross docking is good. Jairam, we need to practice it well. So, shall we meet day after tomorrow, or when is it? I'll leave it to
That's
you and
we
Santosh.
can meet Tuesday, not Wednesday. Oh, no, don't go much far behind here. One
Yeah,
day
yeah.
is fine.
Yeah, Tuesday.
No 2 days. We will meet on Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday we'll meet. Jairam, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Tuesday, what time?
All right. Thank you then.
What time? What time?
Morning is okay.
Yeah, morning only. Evening means actually I have some other work there.
Can we do something at 6 o'clock? Something?
Morning, 6 o'clock. Huh?
Sure.
Huh?
Oh, Raju have.
Impossible for me.
Okay, that's fine. We'll try to do in between like 8:30 or 9 to
Yeah,
10
yeah.
o'clock something.
Anytime I'm available. Okay, anytime.
All right, no problem. We can have a chat, and just to make it up, maybe we might be having 2-3 sessions more. We as I have given that thing, right, most of the things we have been completed, and we need to see little part on the replenishment, and there are few things which needs to be covered on the outbound side. Okay, so that's what. Okay, so I'll tell you a couple of features in the WMS. There are few things are there. So mostly I think hardly more 3 sessions will take. So we'll try to complete in the next coming week, mostly by before next weekend.
Yeah. Well, that's better. Let's complete that. I think Tuesday,
All right.
Friday, we should be done. I think. If we
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
And Santosh, that document is is it possible for you to share that you had given us a demo, no, on day one, once upon a time?
I'll share that. No problem. I'll share that.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
I'll share that, and I'll share few documents also of this cross doc also, which I have. I will share those all documents. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Santosh. Jairam,
Thank you, Jairam. Thank you, Raj. Bye.
Jairam, bye.
Bye.